Tennant Company's T300 Walk-Behind Scrubber consistently delivers reliable, high-performance cleaning results while lowering cleaning costs. Increasing productivity means lower labor costs, leading to a lower total cost of ownership. The T300 reduces downtime with yellow touch points, making service and routine maintenance items quick and easy to identify for all employees. Reducing the cost to clean is at the core of the Tennant T300. Optimized down pressure in RPM helps ensure a clean floor on the first pass. A powerful vac motor and Tennant True Linatec squeegee blades reduces the need for secondary drying. The all-new electronics reduce downtime for daily cleaning for a variety of stone surfaces. Tennant's T300 features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance while reducing the cost to clean. The convenient debris tray prevents clogging. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.